Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Uh, the date is becoming very hot. No, Nike fan is very popular. Okay, let's to see the unboxing video. Okay, uh, this is boxes, and also you can see the size, weight, and also battery mode. Especially the battery mode is 2000 mAh, is not 1200 mAh. Okay, you can see the power consumption, charge input, and interface type, and also charging time, working time, and also let's to see it. This one is right one, and also we can see this one. Okay. Okay, this one is white one, and also have to find. Okay, okay, yeah, it's work. Turning, it's work good. Yes, and also you can see, yeah, and also let's turn on. Yeah, also with lights. Yeah, it's very good. And also, glad to see what's in the box. Yeah. Okay, on the next one, and also the cable. Yes, right one. Glad to see it. Okay. Yes, you can see here. Here puts. Okay, sports fan. Yeah. Oh, this one is turned off. Yeah. This one turn off, no power. And let's see this one. Yes. Yeah. Here it is. Yes. And also we can see here. Yeah. Two colors, you can choose what you like. Okay. Yeah. Night fun, hands free. Colorful lights, slant motor, strong wind, easy to use, free your hands. Okay, catch your time. Okay, yeah, this is night fun. And also I will put on my hat. Yes. Okay, you can see, yeah. Hands for free, yeah. Also with lights, yes, also with lights, yeah. You can see, ooh, more big, yeah, big one, yeah, this is a big one, yeah. Yeah. If you want it, cut your time, yes.